Hey there, hydration heroes. Are you tired of boring old water bottles and lukewarm tap water? What if I told you that the perfect hydration solution is just one water cooler away? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 best water coolers of 2025, tested, ranked, and handpicked to keep you and your family hydrated in style. Whether you're looking for a sleek design for your home or a high-capacity cooler for the whole family, we've got you covered. But here's the catch, not all water coolers are created equal, and some might surprise you. Oh, and before we dive in, don't forget to check the description for all the product links, exclusive deals, and more. Ready to stay hydrated? Let's dive in. Asterisk, music intensifies, visuals of refreshing water and coolers appear. Number 1. Avalon Water Cooler Dispenser. For offices or families, the Avalon bottom-loading water cooler is a well-designed water dispenser with plenty of features to make loading and dispensing water seamless. The 3 temperature settings dispense cold, hot, and room temperature water, and the hot water spigot features a child safety lock, which protects children from spills and accidental burns. The bottom-loading design makes refilling the cooler easy, avoiding the need to pick up and flip a heavy water jug. Switches on the back of the cooler allow you to turn on the hot and cold water settings as necessary, and a self-cleaning cycle keeps buildup and bacteria from getting in your water. Number 2. Brio Moderna Self-Cleaning Touchless Water Cooler Dispenser. If you never want to deal with another heavy plastic water jug again, the Brio Moderna water dispenser might be the solution. This unit connects directly to under-sink pipes to create uninterrupted water flow. The dispenser includes a 3-part filter that cleans and filters sediment for great-tasting water. The hot and cold settings on the dispenser are customizable to your temperature preferences, and the LED buttons on the front are easy to use and highly responsive. This unit also has a self-cleaning setting to prevent any buildup. The installation kit is slightly more complicated than a typical water bottle-style dispenser but user-friendly. Number 3. Avalon A1 Top-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. Another top-loading option, the Avalon A1 Top-Loading Water Cooler has a small footprint and straightforward heating and cooling options. This unit does not feature a filtration system, but the dispensing system, which uses paddles instead of spigots, allows users to simply press and fill their drinking glasses and water bottles. This handy feature is good for families, especially those with young children. Power light lets you know when water is being heated or cooled, and users say this unit is quiet and unobtrusive. Switches on the back of the unit allow you to control the hot and cold settings. Number 4. YETI Silo 6-Gallon Water Cooler. For camping, poolside hangs where you don't have a floating cooler, and other outdoor settings where a plug-in water dispenser won't work, the YETI Silo keeps water cold and easily dispenses from a spigot at the bottom of the cooler. At 16 pounds before it's filled with water, this cooler is heavy, which makes it better for car camping trips where it won't be constantly moved around. The spigot on this unit is durable and pours quickly, but can also be blocked off while in transit or if you want to use the silo as a regular cooler. Number 5. Brio Top-Loading Countertop Water Cooler Dispenser. If your home or office lacks the space for a standalone water cooler, this countertop unit fits into smaller corners and atop tables. It's designed to accommodate a 3-gallon water jug, which makes it a great choice for individuals and couples who don't go through quite as much water. It offers hot, cold, and room temperature water options for all kinds of beverages, as well as child safety locks. Though it lacks the heating and cooling capabilities of some of our larger choices, the stainless steel body looks sleek on your countertop, plus the drip tray keeps things tidy. And that's a wrap on the top 5 best water coolers of 2025. Which one are you bringing home to stay hydrated? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more refreshing content. Oh, and remember, all the product links are waiting for you in the description. Until next time, keep drinking, keep thriving, and I'll see you in the next video.